In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save an entire web page as a PDF in Firefox quickly and easily. This is super useful if you want to keep an article, receipt, research page, or any web page for offline access, printing, or sharing later. You do not need any extra software for this because Firefox already has everything built in. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Now let's jump in. First, open Firefox and go to the web page you want to save. Once the page is loaded, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three horizontal lines, which is the main menu button. From the menu, select Print. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also use Ctrl+P on Windows or CMD+P on Mac to open the print window directly. After the print screen opens, look for the destination or printer drop-down menu. This is where you choose where the file will go. Change it from your printer to Save to PDF if that option is available. On Windows, you may also see Microsoft Print to PDF, which works the same way for creating a PDF file. Once that is selected, take a moment to review the settings. You can change the layout to portrait or landscape depending on how the web page looks best. You can also adjust the paper size if needed, especially if the page has wide content or tables. If the preview looks good, you're ready for the final step. Click Save or Print, depending on what your system shows. A file save window will appear next, and this is where you choose the folder on your computer, type in a clear file name, and save the web page as a PDF. After that, your browser will create the PDF file and store it on your device. You can open it anytime, send it by email, upload it, or print it later without needing the original web page. And that's it. You've now saved an entire web page as a PDF in Firefox. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more easy browser tips and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.